Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to turn your photos into dreamy watercolor art using Canva? Let me show you. Click the Create button to start your project. Choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 200 pixels, then confirm your selection. Next, go to the Elements tab on the left side panel. Here, you can generate an image based on your needs. For this example, type books into the search bar. Browse the generated options and select the image you want to add to your project workspace. To create a watercolor effect of a library shelf filled with books, start by selecting a high-quality image of books inside a library. Open the image in your photo editing software. Choose the watercolor filter from the Effects menu. Adjust the intensity to achieve your preferred look. Apply the filter, then review the result. Save your final watercolor style image for use in your project or presentation. Create a new style for him by selecting the desired character. Click on the Styles tab, then choose Create New Style. Name the style, adjust settings as needed, and save. Once your style is created, navigate to the Generate button and click it to render the character using your new style. Here we have our image. Let's select this one. It looks great and features a unique border. Notice how the drawing has a distinctive watercolor style, which adds a creative touch. With this selected, you can see how different images offer various effects and appearances. Experiment with other options to find the style that best fits your project. Selecting the right image enhances the overall look and feel of your design or presentation. If you've already used your picture in watercolor mode, you can access more options by clicking Edit, then selecting See All. This will display all available effects. Alternatively, look for the watercolor option directly under the Effects section to create a watercolor image from your photo. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired watercolor effect. Add a new element to your design. Next, search for an image by typing a keyword, such as photo, into the image search bar. To convert a photo into a watercolor style, select the photo you want to edit. In this example, choose the image of the woman. Click the Edit button to open editing options. Look for the watercolor effect and apply it to the photo. Adjust settings as needed to achieve your preferred look. You now have a watercolor image of the girl on your screen. To compare this new watercolor version with the original, simply arrange both images side by side within your workspace. Click and drag the watercolor image next to the original photo. Adjust the zoom or fit settings for each image so you can view both at the same time without overlapping. This allows you to closely examine the differences between the watercolor effect and the original image. Note the changes in color, edge softness, and detail created by the filter. Comparing them side by side makes it easier to assess the results and decide if you want to make any further adjustments or refinements to the watercolor effect. Here is the first style created with Elements Generate. You can see the distinct design produced by this tool. Next, we have the watercolor style, which features a softer, more artistic look. Use these different styles to give your project variety and tailor visuals to your desired theme. Choose your edit and check for a matching style, such as the watercolor design. Once you've applied the desired style, click the Share button. Select the PNG format for your download. To ensure higher image quality, increase the size by adjusting the resolution options. Finally, click the Download button to save your completed image to your computer. Try out the watercolor painting effect on your photos in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative design tips.